Hi, this is Rachel. Now I'm here to do my web technology lab third experiment. Third experiment question is we have to design a simple web page using HTML5 and CSS3. So this part. Now the final output should be like this, with the main heading and some block elements, and with the image on which some text is given, and another 3 more images with some text given on it, and 2 subheadings, and the last part is the address column. So now this is my code in which I gave title as web, and this is the style tag in which all the styling is done. In the body tag I opened a div tag in which I gave id as d1, in which I gave font color and the text that is displayed as my first website. So on that, for that one, the d1 tag, the styling I done as text align as center, I gave font size, font weight, font family, text shadow, height, background color, padding bottom and padding top. So when I'm running my thing, so this is the title tag web, in which again I gave the main heading div tag. With the div tag I gave my first website with the background color as green, and this shadow part is done over here. Now the second part, I opened another div tag in which I gave unordered list. In that list I gave home, about, menu 3, menu 4 and contact. So for that one, for the UL tag, the common part is margin I gave 0, width, background color blue, padding, border, height and right side as path is given. For the LI, this is used, display as inline block, width, padding bottom, padding top, color, text align as center and border is given. Now when I am moving my cursor on these inline block elements, I am getting a different color. For this one I used hover, in which background color is given as light blue. So now for the image part, I opened a div tag in which I gave class as banner. In the image tag I gave my source, image source, and class again I mentioned banner for this one, and on which the paragraph should be given as web technology lab. So for this one, the styling is done as banner. Yeah, div is that tag, and dot banner is the class name in which position is given as relative, and for the image bit is given as 100%, and for the paragraph tag, position should be absolute. Bottom I gave 10 pixels and right part I gave 5 pixels. Now font size and color is also given for this one. Now this is my image on which web technology lab is written. This part is done. Now for this one, I opened and I closed that previous div tag and opened another div tag in which I gave class as thumb, id as d3. In the image tag I gave image source as this one, source, and class again I gave thumb, and in the paragraph tag it should be given as about us. I close that div tag, and in this thumb paragraph, this position is absolute, and background color, margin bottom, margin right, font size, color, all that is given. And for the thumb, for div thumb, these are the common parts. Width is 32, float left, and position relative. For d3 tag, margin top I gave 75 pixels, margin right 286.6 pixels. And the same is so this is the image on which about us is given. So the same thing is done for menu item 3 and menu item 4. Same, like I opened another 2 more div tags and I gave class and image source, all that stuff. Now after this, So this part is done. After this, I have to give subheading 1 and subheading 2 and an address bar. So for the subheading, I opened div tag with class thumb2. Style background, in style I gave background color as white, and I opened another div tag for which I gave class as smile, and ID I gave D9, and in style I gave background color as green. I opened a h3 tag with subheading 1, and in the paragraph tag I gave the para. So styling, yeah, thumb and height. Yeah, for the mile part, for h3 tag position I gave absolute, background color, margin top, font size, color, text align, width, all that is given. And so with this, the head subheading 1 is done, and the same is done for subheading 2. Now the last is address bar. For address bar, yeah, for the address bar I gave div class is pb2, and style background color white is given, and another div tag I gave class pb2 and style background color is given. For the address part, in the u tag I opened address, door number, street name, city, state, pin code is given. I closed that div tag and closed that body tag also. So for this one, pp2 and pp. pp2 margin is given as top, and width is given, height is given, and for that pp position gave relative, margin top, width, height, and border is given. So for pre tag, the position is absolute, text align center, color is black, font size bottom right, padding right and padding bottom is given. So the final output, we got address, door number, street name, city, state, and pin code. That's all. Thank you.